Here we are, back again, Ragtops Roadsters. I'm Joe, lead paint technician here. Here I'm going to show you our process, the way we do things here. Now everybody's different and they do their own process, but here this is what we do and I'm going to just walk you through it real quick. Usually any car that comes in, most of the time we will start with bare steel, and when we go to bare steel we'll acid etch the entire thing, gets rid of any flash rust and allows it to sit for a little while before we go into our epoxy. Now here we don't do anything unless there's epoxy first on the surface. I like to control my substrate, so it's epoxy first before we do anything. Then once we get our epoxies down, we'll go over into our polyester coatings, our super builds, our finish sands, and our body filler. Once you get all your block sanding work done and you're on to the next step, we will go into our surfacers, our primer surfacers. It helps really define like all your last lines and gives you a solid, crisp surface to really see that everything's flat and straight. And once that's completed, then you'll get into your sealer coat. Now this is the coat you put down right before we go into color or single stage or any sort of base clear application. But this is pretty much a standard. You're always going to do sealer before you paint anything. Then after our sealers, we go into base coats, clear coats, or single stage, whichever is your preference, dealer's choice. That's just the process how we do things here. Everybody does things a little bit different. But this is what I stand by, and this is my guarantee for our work. That's the Ragtops and Roadsters way.